Class 6 Science, Chapter 11 Light, Shadows and Reflection. Light helps us to see objects. Luminous object. The objects which emit light of their own are called luminous object. Example: sun, tube light, the truck bulb, etc. Non-luminous object. They don't emit light of their own. We can see those objects when light falls on them and then travels towards our eyes. Example: the book, wall and blackboard, etc. Transparent objects. The objects through which we can see clearly or which allows light to pass through them are called transparent objects. Example: air, water, cellophane sheet, etc. Translucent objects. The objects which allow light to pass through them partially and through them we can't see clearly are called translucent object. Example: butter paper. Opaque objects. The object through which we can't see at all and which light doesn't pass through them are called opaque object. Example: bottle, etc. What exactly is our shadow? A shadow is formed when the opaque object comes in front of the light of a source of light and an opaque object to see the shadow. A shadow is a region of absence of light. The light from a source is cut off by the obstacle and shadow is formed. Color of shadow. Whatever is the object, the shadow form in change of some color, that is black. Length of shadow. The length of shadow depends upon the angle at which the light falls on an object. Example: during afternoon, sun is overhead. The sun rays are falling on us at an angle of 90 degrees. Our shadow is shortest, whereas morning and evening the shadow is the tallest. Lunar and solar eclipse. They occur due to the formation of shadow. How light travels. The above picture shows that the light travels in a straight line. Reflection of light and mirror. Reflection, the process of sending back the light rays which falls on the surface of an object. The mirror is one of the best reflector of light. Exercise. Question number 1. Rearrange the letters given below to make sentence that helps us to understand the opaque object. Answer: opaque object make shadows. Question number 2. Classify the objects or material given below as opaque, transparent or translucent, and luminous or non-luminous. Object classification: air, transparent; water, transparent; a piece of rock, opaque; a sheet of aluminium, opaque; a mirror, non-luminous, opaque; a wooden board, opaque; a polythene, translucent; acd, opaque; smoke, translucent; sheet, translucent. Question number 3. Can you think of creating a shape that would give a circular shadow if held one way and rectangular shadow if held in another way? Answer: when a cylinder is held in sunlight, then a circular rectangular shadow can be obtained depending on its orientation related to the sun. When the top of the cylinder surface the sun, then the shadow formed is circle. On the other hand, when the side of the cylinder faces the sun, the shadow formed is rectangular. Question number 4. In in a complete dark room, if you hold up a mirror in front of you, you will see a reflection of yourself in the mirror. Answer. An image is formed due to the reflection of light by a plane mirror in a complete dark room. When there is no light present in the room, no reflection of light take place by the mirror in the dark room. Hence, no image will formed by mirror in complete dark room.